Ladies and gentlemen, we here at Elkhart Lake, and look at this amazing Audi race car. The technology, man, will blow you away. Reservoir shocks, amazing setup. Look at the size of those brake rotors on there. Audi. There's the cockpit. It says winner, the 24-hour Le Mans 2000, 2001, 2002, 2004, 2005. This car actually won Le Mans 4 years?
No, the sister car one.
What?
The sister car one. Le Mans.
Oh, the sister car.
Yeah,
Audi itself won.
Yeah, exactly. This model of car won
Le Mans, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, and your name is, sir?
I'm Greg.
And you said you're from New Zealand?
Yeah.
And you're the mechanic for this car?
Exactly, yeah.
What size engine is in this car?
It's a twin turbocharged 3.6 liter V8.
Okay, and how many horses is that?
Depending, probably 650 to 600, depending on the match.
Yeah. Yeah, it's an amazing car. See, it's got Brembo brakes on it. Those got to be expensive, huh?
Yeah, I mean, everything is on to run one of these.
Oh, yeah. So did this car do pretty good racing too in its day, or?
I mean, the R8s in their day were really dominant.
And there is the back end of this car here. It's kind of interesting. So, and you guys are going to be racing here yet today, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, folks. It's not your average something your average mechanic can do. Thank you for your time.
Oh, you're welcome.